So I'm Dylan Clark. I'm the site operations manager at our Winchester Carmeuse operation. We're a limestone mining and processing operation. We focus on making lime, quick lime product, milled limestone and aggregate.
So before we had INSENS, our reliability program, our predictive maintenance program was really just based around some manual vibration routes that were conducted monthly. So you really wouldn't call that a high level or a mature predictive maintenance program until INSENS. With INSENS, what we have now is earlier detection on some of our critical assets, and we're able to deploy maintenance resources earlier in that failure process.
And one of our driving motivators for using INSENS, not only the continuous monitoring, but we work in a harsh environment. And with the dirt and grime, we were worried about the sensors being placed out at the equipment. INSENS allows us to tackle that in the drive in a controlled environment, and it's been really good for our operation.
Once the sensors are installed, it's really powerful that I, as a reliability engineer, do not have to go maintain those sensors, right? I have a team that puts them in, and once they're in, they're done, and I don't have to go back and check to make sure they didn't fall off. I can really focus on what matters, and that's getting the good quality data, understanding what's wrong with our assets, and improving our asset health. INSENS is measuring electrical signals, and because of those electrical signals, or through those electrical signals, they are able to detect both electrical and mechanical faults. They could also provide input on how to optimize our energy usage. So say we're running a motor inefficiently, or we're running a motor with no load on it, we are able to use their inputs to then strategically turn off or on those pieces of equipment, or resize our motor. So daily I can check to make sure that the assets that we are monitoring are healthy. If there's a problem at all, then INSENS will give me a ticket, and I'll get that in an email. In the email it says, hey, you have a ticket, something might be wrong with a particular asset. I can open that ticket via my email or my phone notification, go straight to that report. It will tell me what they're seeing, what they think it might be because of, and then some actions that we could take as a team here to remedy those problems that they're seeing. I remember when INSENS flagged a recent ticket where we had transmission looseness in one of our gearboxes at a roll crusher. We had just replaced that gearbox, and almost immediately they flagged it as an early fault, saying that they think something was off with the installation or something was off with the equipment. And the longer that it went on, the more detailed that their analysis could get. So we were able to find that the front input shaft of the gearbox was in fact out, and we were able to go back to the manufacturer and say, you know, let's get this fixed and pull it out before it became a catastrophic failure.
So with our on-site team here, we've done a really good job to identify what the specific case was and allocated an amount of downtime and or equipment availability that would be associated with that. And with each one of those costs, we're able to justify an ROI towards the whole INSENS program and installing that at site. So with our return on investment within any program, we're looking to aim 3 years or less. With the INSENS program here at Winchester, we've actually achieved our ROI within 1 year, which is spectacular. Of our good relationships, so we keep continuing to get that support. I don't see any issue why we would not proceed forward with rolling out INSENS here further at the Winchester site, along with at other sites within Carmeuse.
Working with INSENS has been fantastic. We're excited to continue working with them in the future.